So let's go ahead and see. So we have a reviews output, right? And we can kind of tell composer, like, I don't want reviews output being added to my repo, so ignore it. So you can just be like, maybe I can just add it. I could add it, but then that's going to provide the content of that file in there, and that's just a waste of tokens. I'm going to add it. Please add it to the gitignore, and it's going to go ahead and make that change. Did it make the change? Oh, I have to apply it. This is chat. Okay, my bad. AI did not predict an origin file for this code. No, don't apply to readme. So will it apply right? See, this is what I was talking about. The chat feature for that, it's not that great when applying things. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm just gonna go copy this message. I'm gonna go to composer and let's see how it does. Did it do it? So, oh my gosh, I don't think it did it. It's a bad look. Yeah, this isn't even a code block. What's going on? I'm just gonna give it a question mark. Pull a Jeff Bezos. And probably what's happening is it's being a bit thrown off because I'm passing it to readme. So let's go ahead and go back in this conversation, and I'm just gonna click here. Ah, okay, that's fun. So it's a bit trickier with composer because you can't go back in composer, and you can go back with chat. And I kind of get it if it's making changes, but that's an important thing to note. So let me go ahead and just copy this and just start a new conversation. There we go. Will it do it? Let's find out. There we go. It added it. So this just shows you, like, it's very important to think about what input you're giving to the model, because you really want to control against different biases, right? Because if you feed it the readme file, but you're talking about something else, it's, you know, it's gonna be like a junior developer. It's gonna be like, wait, why did he give me the readme file? You know, am I supposed to do something there? Or else he wouldn't have done it, right? And it's gonna really throw it off. So in order to get the fastest results, you really want to give it the minimum amount of input. So if it only needed the gitignore file, then that's enough. And, you know, to be honest, it doesn't even need the gitignore file. It could give you a, you know, a command to run to append the text file name to that .gitignore. So yeah, I mean, you can do it either way. Let's go ahead and see. Now you can do some refactoring. That could be fun. So let's go ahead and see. Remove irrelevant entries from the .gitignore, because this adds a lot of stuff that we like, yarn and stuff, right? And we're not using yarn, so we don't need it. So it's deleting this. .myc output. Okay. And we can kind of build on this. So I can tell it, you know, keep removing irrelevant stuff. Here are my project files, and, you know, I can tell it, like, okay, here's index, here's package, and here's readme, and it's gonna be able to see, like, what libraries I'm using to kind of, you know, further refine, further refactor this. Let's see how it does. Okay, let's just accept it, find out. So we have TypeScript and environmental variables, I guess a build output, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so yeah, it basically got rid of everything that we weren't really using. It did a fairly good job, so that's nice.